ॐ स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। यथाग्नेर्दाहिका शक्ति रामकृष्णे स्थिता ह्य सर्वविद्यास्वरूपां तां शारदां प्रणमाम्यहम्। यथाग्नेर्दाहिका शक्ति रामकृष्णे स्थिता ह्य सर्वविद्यास्वरूपां तां शारदां प्रणमाम्यहम्। नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे मन्नाथ श्रीजगन्नाथो मद्गुरुः श्रीजगद्गुरुः ममात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्याधिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ। कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि। तेजोऽसि तेजोमयि देहि वीर्यमसि वीर्यं मयि देहि बलमसि बलं मयि देहि ओजोऽसि ओजो मयि देहि मन्युरसि मन्युं मयि देहि सहोऽसि सहो मयि देहि। Now selfless universal prayer please. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। सर्वस्तरतु दुर्गाणि सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु, सर्वसद्बुद्धिमाप्नोतु, सर्वः सर्वत्र नन्दतु। हरिः ओम्। Now we will chant the Gayatri Mantram. All of you also can repeat nicely. Om Bhurvubhuvah Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nः Prachodayat. Om Bhurvubhuvah Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nः Prachodayat. Om Bhurvubhuvah Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nः Prachodayat. We meditate on the spiritual effulgence of the all-pervading blissful reality, the source or projector of the three phenomenal worlds. May that supreme divine being stimulate our intelligence so that we may realize the supreme truth. Now, as part of our prayer, let us recite the powerful, strong, and excellent Mahamrutyunjaya mantra. And this we shall all chant, we shall all recite 12 times without any break. 12 times. 12 sarlu. So three things you have to combine. One is your bhakti, second is your shraddha, the third is ekagrata. Bhakti, shraddha, ekagrata, 3 in 1. And feel for others, think of the good of others, pray to the Lord Mahadeva, Mrityunjaya, for strength of the people who are in difficulty today. Let us start. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhana Mrutyurmukshiyamamrutat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhana Mrutyurmukshiyamamrutat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan 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 Mrutyurmukshiyamamrutat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। Yeah, Subhodayam to everybody. May God bless you all. May Sri Ramakrishna bless you. May Bhagavan Sri Krishna bless you. May all the gods and goddesses protect you, your family, and all our citizens in the country. And let us continue with the Parayanam, recitation of the Dhyana Shlokas of the Bhagavad Gita. 3 times Omkaram, please. Om. 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 Parthaya pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathita Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshini Bhagavati Ashtadashadhyayini Amba Tvam Anusandadhami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshini. Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Fullara Vindayatapatra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajvalito Jnanamaya Pradipaha Prapanna Parijataya Totra Vetraika Panaye Gnanamudraya Krishnaya Gitamrutaduhe Namaha. Sarvopanishado Gavo Dogdha Gopalanandanaha Partho Vatsas Sudhir Bhokta Dugdham Gitamritam Mahat Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Mukam Karoti Vachalam Pangum Langayate Girim Yatkrapatamaham Vande Paramananda Madhavam Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha Stunvanti दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्ग पदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थित तद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः हरिः ओम तत्सत् हरिः ओम तत्सत् Okay, so we shall continue with our understanding of meditation, then go to the few shlokas of the 10th chapter, Vibhuti Yoga. Yesterday I was giving you some examples from Sri Ramakrishna and the importance of alertness. An alert mind will be a peaceful mind. An alert mind, Jagrata Manas, because the great sages said, spiritual life, a meditative life, is like walking on a razor's edge. Kshurasya dara nishita duratyaya durgam patastat kavayo vadanti. Kavayo vadanti means the great kavis, great munis, great sages. They experienced and have given us a caution. They are not putting us into fear. Kind of caution. Jagratanga undandi. थोड़ा सावधान रहना. क्यों सावधान रहना? क्षुरस्य धारा, a sharp razor. You walk barefoot, you will be cut into pieces. So when you protect yourself, when you are careful about the process, then slowly, slowly, day by day, you will reach the destination. You will reach Paramasukham, Paramanandam, Paramagnanam, Paramabhakti, Paramashraddha, and Moksha Prapti. So alertness is very, very important. And at the same time, intensity, tivrata. On the way, some obstacles, some difficulties, some challenges. Let it come. Let it come. Let me see what will happen. So we have to have multiple facilities, multiple what you call the arrangements. If bus is not there, I will walk. If auto is available, I will move. I will keep up that consistency. And most important thing in the 10th chapter, what we get, Vibhuti Yoga, is an attitude of knowing God, cultivating a definite attitude. Cultivate a definite attitude towards the divine. That's what we shall see today. Arjuna Uvacha. Hanuman's attitude. The great saints of Maharashtra's attitude. This Dasa Sampradaya in Karnataka attitude. The Alvars and Nayanmar's attitude in Tamil Nadu. The Vallabhacharyas, Nimbarkas and Acharyas attitude. So take any tradition, their attitude. So please cultivate an attitude. Number one, you can have an attitude of servant attitude, dasya bhava. This comes in every meditation class for the benefit of new and old participants, I am telling again, Dasya Bhava, best. Whatever you do in the house, lockdown time or normal time, office work, kitchen work, taking care of your children, taking care of yourself, Dasya, Dasa. And this is not, Dasa means here not bonded labor. This is not a kind of enforcement, punishment, no. Voluntarily Dasa, servant attitude. Vivekananda did it. Hanuman did it. The great saints did it. Ramanujacharya did it. Dasa, Dasa, Dasa. And many monks I have seen in Ramakrishna order, senior monks, who are our gurus, who are our leaders, who are guideposts, Dasa. Naham karta, naham karta, naham karta. I am doing the Lord's work, I am doing the Lord's work. So you also, householders also, can cultivate this Dasya Bhava. You are cooking for your family, think that you are cooking for the Lord only. You are working for somebody in the office, working from home, or you go to the place of work. You may work for a government or IT company or a bank or some job, but in the heart of heart, you should feel, I am working for the Lord. I am a servant of the Lord. Very important. Then no tension, no worry, no stress. Let the world go anywhere. So, Dasya Bhava, number one. Second attitude you can cultivate, Vatsalya Bhava. Keep this in mind, please. Meditation time. Vatsalya means compassionate mother. And we have got the best example in the Bhagavatam, Yashoda Krishna. Yashoda's attitude, Yashodamma, towards Gopala Krishna, Bala Gopala. Mother, mother, mother. You are a mother. And you take care of the child called Krishna, Rama. Then third attitude is the role changes, Santana Bhava. You are the child, God becomes your mother. Vatsalya Bhava, you are the mother, God is the child. In Santana Bhava, you are the child, God is the mother. Or father, Tvameva Mata, Tvameva Pita, Tvameva Bandhu. That also is an attitude, Bandhu. That will come, Sudama Krishna. Santana Bhava, Ramakrishna, Bhavatarini. I don't know anything. I will ask my mother. Mother, shall I go to Balram Bose's house? Sri Ramakrishna is going to and asking mother in the temple. Oh, what a attitude, I say. Totapuri said, take sannyasa. You have got all the qualities of a renunciate. No. I will ask my mother and come. Mother, Keshav Chandra Sen is sick. Shall I go and see him? See, for anything and everything, like a child, he will go to the temple. Physically, he will go. Somebody will say something. Narendra will scold his master. Then Sri Ram, Narendra is scolding me, Amma. Or Narendra is telling like this. Is it okay? Mother will tell, okay, chalega. He is your Shishya. So, do we cultivate like that? Do we cultivate like that? Sham Babu Garu? Simply we go, one kobarkai, one coconut, and sit for some time, and come away, run away, not come away, run away. We don't want God. We run away from God. God says, beta, thoda baito. नहीं, बहुत काम है. किसका क्या काम है? Sitting in the temple, looking at Gadiyaram, looking at the watch, as if you are controlling the time. Some are so restless. They just keep on going around the temple, walking. One time okay, two times okay. Sit there. Merge yourself as a child. Santana bhava. So what is the first one? Dasya bhava. Second one, Vatsalya bhava. Third one, Santana bhava. Fourth one, Bandhu. Bandhavyam, Sakhya bhava. Sakhya bhava. Always be in the company of your Sakha. Sudama Krishna, Arjuna Krishna. Always companion. Tvameva mata, tvameva pita, tvameva bandhu. That is the attitude also. Bandhu. So, like this, develop an attitude, please. What will happen? Learn to see things as they are. To begin with, he must love a particular aspect of God intensely. Then he must learn to see the cosmic being at the back of the personal God. And then he should see the absolute at the back of the cosmic. These are the gradations in your sadhana. First one is what? Particular aspect. A form, a particular name. From there, behind that, what is there? And who is that beyond that? So slowly, slowly, your mind will rise. The holy personality, the incarnation of the personal God, should take us step by step to the highest knowledge. We must learn to see God alone, even in all awful, terrible things, without ever allowing the awful, the terrible to overpower our mind. He is even in all gross, impure, awful, and vulgar things. But these manifestations must never be permitted to affect our mind or to take possession of it. Unless we develop the cosmic perspective, we cannot attain balance and calmness of mind. During the early periods of your sadhana or meditation, create a disgust for the world and its pleasures. Later on, you can overcome this disgust and look upon the world through spiritual eyes. So, when you develop that attitude, it is Ekameva. Everything is that one cosmic being, in good or bad, in dukkham or sukham, in laughter or in cry. So your mind sees God everywhere. Learn. It is not a lecture. It is not a lecture. It is an experience. So practice karna pade. How simple practice? Simple, I will tell you. Say you go to a market, you go to a shop. There is a man or a woman, salesman, sales girl, in the counter. You go to a super bazaar, you go to a mall, किधर भी जा सकता है. So, as a meditator, as a man following Bhagavad Gita, Vedanta, do some homework. When I see an auto driver, when I see the gate man, when I see the receptionist that in the counter, cash counter, or when I go to a shop where somebody is showing me cloth or fruit or some items that I want to purchase, you tell your mind, oh mind, that man, that girl, that woman, that watchman, that driver is also God, part of the Paramatma, part of the Parama Brahma. For that, should you pay GST? Should you pay tax? What prevents you from doing it? If you are doing it, increase the velocity, increase the intensity. If you are not doing, start karo ji. Shubhasya Shigram, 15th of May today. Akshaya Tritiya ho gaya. Aaj kya karenge? Practice. So everything is God. So that attitude, if we cultivate, we are on the right direction. So please work on these positives. Be alert. Train your mind to see Narayana everywhere. That does not mean a tiger is there, I will go and hug the tiger. होता है क्या? हो सकता है सिनेमा में. Okay. So Sri Ramakrishna says water falls from the sky through the clouds, we call it rain. But some water will fall in the well, we use it. Some will fall into the ditch, we don't use it. Some will fall into the river, it flows. Some will fall into the soil, it becomes grass. It will help with the grass to grow. So, where there is that common sense we should have. That is also God. But, oh God, namaste to you from there. So, when you sit in the aeroplane, when you sit in the flight, whether Hyderabad or Bangalore or Delhi or Bombay or Pune, wherever you sit, what do you see? Differences. You see differences. Buildings, vehicles, other flights, other passengers, and the land, everything separate. But slowly when the flight takes off, first it's only a few feet, 100 feet, 500 feet, 200, 2000, 30,000 feet mein jata hai, without your knowledge. Then the pilot will announce, we are at 30,000 feet altitude, crossing over Hyderabad, crossing over Bangalore. Then as you see, observe, keep the teachings of Gita in the mind. You see through the window, separate. Slowly that separateness will go and you see one huge sky. And you see a little more through the window, if a window seat. Window seat मिला तो देखिए क्या देखते हैं? एकमेव. Whole nation is one. कहाँ है building, कहाँ है boundary, कहाँ है grass, कहाँ है vehicle? Everything one, because you have gone up. And once again, flight will land in your destination, again gadbad start. Politics will start. See the tamasha. See the joke of Maya. Again, same drama. So, try to be there. Even if you have come down, your mind should be there. Do your work. Do your work. Because it is Lord's work. Dasya bhava. Karma yoga karo. So meditation will include all this. So please work on this. It is not a one-day program. It is a constant program. Nityotsavam bhavatyesham nityashri nityamangalam yesham rudisto bhagavan mangalayatano harihi. Am I clear? So shall we chant the Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, Arjuna Uvacha, shloka number 12. Ata dashamodhyayah vibhuti yogah Arjuna Uvacha Param Brahma Param Dhama Pavitram Paramam Bhavan Purusham Shashvatam Divyam Adidevam Ajam Vibhum Ahustva Rushayas Sarve Devarshir Naradastata Asito Devalo Vyasaha Swayam Chaiva Bravishime Sarvametadritam Manye Yanmam Vadasi Keshava Nahite Bhagavan Vyaktim Vidur Devana Danavaha Swayameva Atmana Atmanam वेत्तत्वं पुरुषोत्तम भूतभावन भूतेश देवदेव जगत्पते वक्तुमर्हस्य अशेषेण दिव्या ह्यात्मविभूतयः याभिर्विभूतिभिर्लोकान् इमांस्त्वं व्याप्य तिष्ठसि कथं विद्यामहं योगिं त्वां सदा परिचिन्तयन् केषु केषु च भावेषु चिन्त्योऽसि भगवन्मया विस्तरेण आत्मनो योगं विभूतिं च जनार्दन भूयः कथय तृप्तिर्हि शृण्वतो नास्ति मे मृतम् ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम परम ब्रह्म परम धाम पवित्रम परमं भवान् परम ब्रह्म परम धाम परम पवित्रम हे भगवान हे कृष्णा who are you param brahma which means paramatma brahma here is not brahma vishnu maheshwara parabrahma means paramatma and where is that paramatma atma inside it is also called pratyagatma that which can be seen in your heart felt in your heart yesterday I told you heart center hridaya kamala madhye Sadasad Akhila Veda. Who is he? Sat, Asat, Akhila. He is not broken into pieces. He is beyond Sat and Asat, truth and falsehood also. Atitam. Atitam. He has crossed everything. He is always there. Atitam, Ekaswarupam. And at the same time, Prakriti, Vikriti, Shunyam. He is without modifications. Prakriti, that which moves. Vikriti, that which goes. Shunyam, nothing happens, it's just there. And when it is just there, there's another beautiful experience. Nityam Ananda Rupam, Nityam Ananda Murtim. He is the form of eternal bliss. Vimala Paramahamsa Ramakrishnam Bhajamaha. Now you see, same language here in different Samskrita. Param Brahma, Param Dhama, Pavitram Param. He is supreme purity and supreme, and his Dhama is always eternal. Because he is inside me, he is outside there. Param Brahma, Param Dhama, Pavitram Param. Bhavan, Bhavan means thou art. You are the supreme being. You are the supreme abode. You are the supreme purifier, the holy. And four important qualities of Narayana, of Ishta, of the supreme being. It can be Narayana, it can be your Shiva, it can be this one. Purusham. Purusham means one who lives in the Pura. Pura Yeshe. In the Pura, which is this body, Pura, one who lives, Yeshe, Purushaha. Purusha here is not masculine gender, not a man as Purusha, woman as Prakriti, Strilinga, Pullinga, Gadu. It is one who lives in the Pura, one who has, because he is Paramatma. Paramatma, Paramapurusha, same. Purusham, Shashvatam. Shashvatam means continuous, eternal. As we say, Ganga flows eternally, Mother Ganga. Among all the rivers, Ganga, we adore so much. So, it is eternally flowing. Shashvat. Shashvat means it is eternally moving forward. The rabbit is called Shashak. Shashak means it will be jumping from one place to another, but continuously it is moving. Rabbit. And here the word is Shashvata. So the Lord is eternally moving, eternally present. Shashvatam. Purusham Shashvatam. The second word, Divyam. Glorious, divine. The Surya Bhagavan, Surya Narayana is called Divya Prakasha. So beautiful. Divyam. Then Adi Devam, first among the Devas. Adi Devam. From him only other people have come. Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara have come from that cosmic being. Purusham, Shashvatam, Divyam, Adi Devam. Ajam, unborn. Unborn because no death. Unborn because no death. That is the meaning there. Janma leni vadu. Janma unte mana mrityu. Mrityu unte janma. That is a cyclic process. Okay. So, these are some of the truths. Purusham also means Purnatva. One who is full in every aspect. And Adi Devam, Ajam, Vibhum. Vibhum is grand. He is always all pervasive. Just like, we have gold. The gold is there, that is manifested, that is made into various ornaments. It can be made into a nose ring, into a earring, into a bangle, into a bracelet, into a necklace, everything. So one item, one element called gold has become Vibhum. So when you go to a jeweler shop to purchase something, order some, what do you see? Varieties of gold. And you don't call earring a gold earring, a gold necklace, you don't call. It is always there. Only the names are given, but the base is Bangaram. The base is gold. So that gold is the eternal, Shashvata. It is inside or it is outside. It is Purnatva. And it also means, Vibhum also means limitless light. Limitless light. Eternal light. Chaitanya Prakasha. The gold is the real element in the ornament. It is Chaitanya. It is because the gold that you are purchasing a necklace. It is because of gold that you are purchasing a idol or a nose ring or earring. If it is already plastic, only for children, and this one you pay 5 rupees and purchase. But here you spend a lot of money. So these are some of the very important qualities of Bhagavan. We should meditate on. Arjuna is helping us. Purusham Shashvatam Divyam Adi Devam Ajam Vibhum. When you go to a temple, or when you do your puja and punaskaram and sadhana, meditation at home, chant these words. He Purusha, He Shashvata, He Divya, He Vibhuti, He Ajam. Remember the words. Remember the qualities. Then we go forward. I'm just giving you the meditation part of it, not the philosophy part of it. Okay. So, as Purusha, as Shashvata, as Divya, Adideva, as Ajam, as Vibhum, who told? All the rishis have told you. All the rishis. Ahustvam Rishayas Sarve. All the rishis, thousands of rishis were there. They told this. And along with them, Maharshis also, Deva rishis also. Devarshir Naradas Tatha. Asito, and some names Arjuna is telling. Asitaha, Devalaha, Vyasaha, Naradaha, and Bhrugu, and Mrutyunjaya, what, so many Bhishma, so many people have told about Purusha, Shashvata, Divya in the Sahasranamas and Agastya Muni, Hayagriva Samvadam. So everybody has told. And you also are continuously telling. Here told nahi, they are telling, even now they are telling. Asito devalo vyasaha swayam chaiva bravishime. You are also telling, they are also telling, continuous present tense. Here in Sanskrit, keep in mind, it is not past. They told, they said, nahi chalega. They are telling. Ahustvam Rishayas Sarve Devarshir Naradastata. They are cheppuchunnaru. In Telugu we say cheppuchunnar. They are telling. बता रहे हैं, बताया नहीं, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. ऐसा बताया, कब बताया, कौन होगा? There is no limit there because it is Shashvata. They are telling in various ways, various forms. Sarvametadritam manye yanmam vadasi keshava nahite bhagavan vyaktim vidur devana danavaha. So whatever you are telling, because God is there in all the three times, past, present, future. Sarvametat ritam manye, I know it is the truth. Ritam, truth. Okay? O Keshava, whatever thou hast told me or telling me, I deem as true. Very important word. Read the Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna. Read the Ramayana, read the Mahabharata, read the Bhagavad Gita, read the Bhagavata, read any other scripture. What do you find? Truth. Read Vivekananda teachings, truth. Read Holy Mother Sharda Devi's teachings, truth. Read Swami Brahmananda's eternal companion, truth. Read the spiritual treasures of Swami Turiyananda, truth. Read the eternal words of Swami Adbhutananda, truth. Why? They are truth. They attain truth. They are speaking truth. They realize truth. They are living truth. That's why generations after generations are taking the truth and they become realized soul. They become truthful. You listen to truth. You read to truth. You meditate on truth. You speak the truth. And you become truth. So Arjuna is telling, he is reinstating what you told or telling is truth. I believe, I know it is truth. Ritam manye. Ritam, Satyam, Dharmam. Three qualities in Samajam, in our daily life. Dharmam, Ritam, Satyam. When you follow Ritam, morning till night, a kind of rhythm, sunrise to sunset, follow your dharma, what happens? Truth will prevail. Satyameva jayate. Got it? Satyameva jayate. Dharma, Ritam, Satyam, all go together. Arjuna is insisting, reinstating, reminding, what you are telling is truth. What you told earlier is truth. What you tell future also, Satya. Divya hyatma vibha swaya sarvametadritam manye. O Lord, neither the Devas nor the Danavas know what thy manifestations are. Next. So, Swayameva Atmanatmanam Vetatvam Purushottama. See the words, Purushottama. Meditate on that. In 15th chapter, name also is Purushottama Yoga. Purushottama means some people are there and he is sitting above them. No, not just that word, not a etymological meaning. Three kinds of bodies we have. One is called Sthula Sharira, physical sheath, external, Sthula Sharira. Behind Sthula Sharira, what is there? Sukshma Sharira, subtle body. Behind the subtle body, there is another body, causal body, Karana Sharira. But what is our knowledge? Only Sthula, Ati Sthula. More grosser. Our mind doesn't go inside at all. Huh? It is worried about this mouse. It is worried about laptop. It is worried about mic. It is worried about paperweight. It is about mobile. It is worried about our vessels. Sthula, Ati Sthula. अरे कट करो भैया थोड़ा, बंद करो, ये चिंता बंद करो, अंदर जाओ थोड़ा. Go to at least a little of subtle body, Sukshma Sharira. Karana Sharira is beyond our reach. We are merged in Sthula. All our mind daily talks Sthula, Sthula, Sthula. Meditation is Sukshma. Meditation is Sukshma. It is Shantam. Shantam. Okay. So, one who is beyond Sthula, one who is beyond Sukshma, one who is beyond Karana also. He is the Paramatma. He is Purushottama. Understand like that. So, Arjuna is telling, Swayameva Atmanatmanam Vetatvam Purushottama Bhuta Bhavana Bhutesha Deva Deva Jagatpate. You combine this with the second line of the 12th shloka. Purusham Shashvatam Divyam Adi Devam Ajam Vibhum Bhuta Bhavana Bhutesha Deva Deva Jagatpate. Like that you combine. So go to a temple, go to your puja room and repeat this 4 or 5 times. Purusham Shashvatam Divyam Adi Devam Ajam Vibhum Bhuta Bhavana Bhutesha Deva Deva Jagatpate. Cry. Go to the temple and cry. Deva Deva Jagatpate Bhuta Bhavana Bhutesha Purusham Shashvatam Divyam Adidevam Ajam Vibhum. Cry, shout, call the God. You see, somebody is going and suddenly you recognize him. He is your friend, he is your relative, he is your classmate. What will you do? First call him, is it not? Hey Ramesh, hey Suresh, hey Kamesh. But he is little away. Your audio is not able to go. Then what will you do? Make some sound. Hey, Ramesh ji, I am calling you. Please come. Then suddenly Ramesh ji will turn. Suddenly Vishwanath ji will turn. Okay. And then you make waves. Come. I want to talk to you. I am so and so. Then he will come. You will go. Then have a party. Have a bhajan. Let us go for coffee. Let us go to my house. Let us spend some time together. So call Purusham, Shashvatam, Divyam, Adidevam, Ajam, Vibhum, Bhuta Bhavana. Where are you, sir? Why are you not talking to me? Bhutesha, Deva Deva, Jagatpate. Sri Ramakrishna used to call like this. Oh mother, Oh mother, ma, kotaya acho ma. They say the temple was shaking because of his cry. So that is the intensity of our prayer and meditation. Right? So Arjuna later says beautifully, I want to know in what way I should meditate on you, in what way I should think about you. Keshu cha bhaveshu. Beautiful language. Keshu cha bhaveshu chintyosi bhagavanmaya. How I should do your chintana? In what bhava? Please tell me. You alone are eligible to tell me, nobody else. And tell me, Vistarena. Oh, a wonderful student. He is not tell me only one or two. No, Vistarena, as detailed as possible. Are Baba. Jai Ramakrishna. ఇలా వెళ్ళి చెప్పాలండి, మాట్లాడాలి దేవుడితో. Don't be afraid of, don't put fear into the mind of children. పాపం వస్తుంది, పుణ్యం వస్తుంది. No papam, no punyam there. अरे माता पिता है वो, क्या पाप पुण्य का बोलता है. Fear. Don't put fear. You tell your child, tell yourself, love God, not fear God. He is not a police commissioner, he is not a district magistrate to punish you. All that hangama, all that low attitude we have. Okay? So, Vistarena, as detailed as possible. Keshu cha bhaveshu chintyosi bhagavanmaya. So, like that, we should try to reach the divine. We should meditate. How am I to know? Oh, yogin. See the word there. Katam vidyamaham yogim. Krishna is yogin. One always, he is called Yogishvara. Krishna is called the Lord of meditators. In Badrikashrama, Badrinath, one of the four dhamas, Narayana is meditating. It is told in the Bhagavatam, Badri Narayana is meditating for the welfare of all of us. So should we not also meditate along with Badri Narayana? Katam vidyamaham yogim tvam sada parichintayan. Constant meditation. In what all aspects should thou be contemplated upon by me, O Lord? Vistarena atmano yogim vibhutim cha janardana bhuya kataya triptirhi shunvato nasti me mritam. See the last sentence here. Tell me again and again thy divine powers and majesties. For I am ever eager to hear more and more of thy nectarian words. Tripti, satiation, satisfaction. Tripti ledaya. I am not happy, I am not satisfied with little things. So, these are very, very important ways of meditation, prayer. So, Tripti nasti. Even though I am hearing, I am not happy. I want more. If you say, enough bhai, bahut bolta hai, bahut ho gaya, bahut prachar karta hai, bahut bakbak ho, gone, finished. Your chapter closed. So the more you learn, the more you hear, the more you meditate, tripti nasti. So you should always be full of that bhava. Okay. Srunvato nasti me mritam. That amritam, I want to get more and more, O Lord. So please tell me. So Krishna is starting from the 19th shloka till the 42nd shloka. And Krishna says here, shloka number 19, Hantate katayishyami divyahyatma vibhutayah pradhanyatah kuru shrestha. Hey Arjuna, hey great among the Kurus, oh best of the Kurus, Atma bhautayah, self-manifestation, pradhanyatah, according to the importance. According to their levels, I will tell. Because it is so infinite, I will select a few. Okay, I will select a few and I will tell you. That much I can do. You may ask Vistarena. Arey bhai, there is so much. Huh? Sahasra vibhutis are there. So pradhanyata kuru shrestha nastyanto vistarasya me, because there is no end to their details. So whatever we know in the Vibhuti Yoga, remaining shlokas are only highlights. They are highlights. Highlights itself, lifetime investment. Okay. So ahamatma gudakesha sarvabhutashayastitah ahamadischa madhyamcha bhutanamanta evacha. First is ahamatma. I am your own self. I am within you. I am the self residing in the heart of every being. See, the key is given there. First here, then there. Ahamatma gudakesha sarvabhutashayastitaha, residing in the heart of every being. That itself is a great meditation. Hridaya kamala madhye. Hridaya kamala madhye. Ahamatma. He is inside you, he is inside me, he is inside in every being. I should realize that, I should meditate on that. Aham adischa, I am in front, I am in the end, and I am in the middle also. Aham adischa, madhyancha, bhutanam antayevacha. I am their beginning, their lifespan, and their end. So Krishna, the Lord is everything, as Krishna, as Rama, as Shiva, as Ramakrishna. So we have to meditate and feel that oneness with God. And that is our real profit. That is our real blessing. With that, please sit straight. Already time up. Let us meditate 10 minutes and then move forward. Meditate on the names of the divine, the qualities of the divine. Purusham, one who resides in the Pura, that is in the body. Purusham, Shashvatam, eternal, is always there, is continuously present. Divyam, divine, glorious, resplendent. Adidevam, he is the primordial God, primordial being. Adidevam. Ajam, unborn. That means eternally present. Adidevam, Ajam, Vibhum. All pervading divinity, supreme. Vibhum means all pervading divinity. As I told you, just like gold is pervading in every ornament. All the rishis have proclaimed this. They are proclaiming this. O Keshava, whatever you have told me or telling me, it is all true. Sarvametad ritam manye. What you told in Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, and now as Ramakrishna is true. Let us think about it. We are in Kali Yuga. So Dwapara Yuga, Treta Yuga, Rama, Ramakrishna, Krishna, always you have told. That is true, that is true, that is true. Sarvametad ritam manye. And even the Devas and Danavas, they have not understood what these manifestations are. Think about what Girish Chandra Ghosh told Sri Ramakrishna on 1st January 1886. Says, Vyasa could not understand you, Valmiki could not understand you. I am only a poor fellow, poor dramatist in Kolkata. How can I understand you? Only you can understand yourself. Swayameva Atmana Atmanam. The sun is known by the sun only. Swayameva Atmana Atmanam. Thou art known only to thyself through self-intuition. Light knowing the light. You have to reveal yourself to me as yourself. Swayamevatmanatmanam Vetatvam Purushottama Bhuta Bhavana. You are the highest of all beings. Bhuta Bhavana. Bhutesha, creator of all, the Lord of all. From him only everything has come. From him only, in him only everything is continuing. And in the end, we all will merge into him. Bhuta Bhavana, Bhutesha, Deva Deva, Jagatpate. वक्तुमर्हस्य अशेषेण दिव्या ह्यात्म विभूतयः. Atma Vibhuti, all your glories, I want to know. And they are all divyaha, divya atma vibhutayaha. They are beyond this prakriti, beyond the mundane. Divya atma vibhutayaha. Asheshena. Meditate on that. Asheshena. Limitless. Totally, fully. Sampurnam. And you are the only one who can tell me this. I can't go to anybody else. I want to know what all the vibhutis are in this world. You are manifested as various glories, various ways. Hey Yogishwara, hey Krishna, one who is always in meditation. How should I think about you? How should I meditate upon you? Parichintayan. How can I know you? How can I meditate on you? And what on what objects can I meditate as you? Keshu keshu cha bhaveshu chintyosi bhagavanmaya. And O Lord, vistarena, in detail, vistarena, as comprehensively as possible. O Janardana, tell me again and again of your divine powers and majesties. In detail, please tell me. I am ever eager to hear more and more of thy nectarine words. I am not satisfied. I am always eager. I am thirsty for more and more. There is no satisfaction. It does not exist at all in my dictionary. Then last sloka today. Ahamatma gudakesha sarvabhutashayastitah ahamadischa madhyam cha bhutanamanta eva cha. O Arjuna, I am the self residing in the heart of every being. I am their beginning, aham adischa, madhyancha, lifespan, in the middle, and anta evacha, and their end also. So this is the total picture in one shloka. Think of your Ishta Devata. If you are in the Ramakrishna Vivekananda tradition, Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Sri Ramakrishna Namaha. Or if you have taken Venkateshwara Swami in Tirumala as your Ishtha, he is Adischa, Madhyancha, Antayevacha. You have taken Durga, Ma Kali, Shakti, Adischa, Madhyancha, Antayevacha. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Tat Sat. Shri Ram Krishna Arpanamastu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Mentally, let us offer our salutations to the all-pervading blissful spirit in any name or form. But collectively, let us offer our salutations to Sri Ramakrishna, Ma Sharda Devi and Swami Vivekananda and all our gurus. Think of the Pancha Mahabhutas, which are also part of the divine, and entire Prakriti, entire nature, entire humanity. Let us raise our consciousness from the diversity to the unity and see the unity in the diversity. Rub the palms of hand nicely, everybody, and roll over your eyelids, tap your forehead and your cheeks, face. Offer your namaskaram to the Param Brahma, Param Dhama, and let us end our meditation, prayer, etc. Hari Om. Okay, namaste to everybody. Again and again, you are also very important, and our meditation is an opportunity during the pandemic time to come together and spend 1 hour plus in this wonderful scripture called the Amrutam, Amba, Bhagavad Gita, Gitopadesham, and move forward. We have to move forward. No more stagnation. So outside there is a lot of pain, lot of pressure, and let us work on the higher things. So two quick announcements. And number one is let us have meditation class on the Bhagavad Gita 11th chapter from June 14. Please note down, June 14 is Monday up to June 19, Saturday. That's 6 days. Please note down and tell your friends and tell your near and dear ones to participate in more hundreds. 11th chapter, Vishwarupa Darshana Yoga. Before that, we will take a few shlokas of the 10th chapter, which we have not covered, and then link it up with the Vishwarupa Darshana. They're beautiful shlokas on prayer, on Arjuna's submission, Arjuna's bhakti, and Arjuna's vision. Let us understand that and be blessed. That is our greatest opportunity in this pandemic time. So this is the first announcement. Second announcement, there are a couple of post courses coming. Please see this one. Number one, very important, coming on Monday, 17th, for college students and above. To elderly, not necessary. You're already having character and confidence. But we are looking at a focused age group of 16 to 40. So please concentrate on that. If you want to attend, if you want to do satsangam, okay, you can join. But the examples and etc. will be little more of this one. So please attend the course. The third course coming is 24th May to 29th May. This is in the morning. Power of positive thinking. Okay. Very important. Present time. Please attend that and spread this message. So one is Monday to Saturday evening time. The second is morning time, 24th onwards. And of course, this is starting today, Bala Vikas summer camp. We call it Shraddha camp for children, 4th standard to 10th standard. If any of your children are there, or relatives are there, friends are there, their children can attend for a 1-month course. All details are there in our app. All details are there in our website, rkmat.org. Okay. So you can participate. Next. This again, Bhajan Sandhya, I already told you yesterday, 24 to 26, 3-day program. Okay, evening time. 24 to 26, morning we have positive thinking, evening we'll have Bhajan Sandhya. Vedant Bharadwaj will teach, will sing, and we will meditate also. That also is included. For peace, for joy, for strength, we shall work on this. So a lot of things for you to engage your mind, engage your time in this pandemic things. Okay. So this is the courses for the month of May. What are the courses? Number one, confidence and character next week. Positive thinking last week. Then Bhajan Sandhya last week, evening time, 3 days. Then I told you from 14th of June, we'll have meditation in Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter. And Bala Vikas is there. Starting today, it will go on till 15th June. Every day yogasanas, alternate days moral classes, some stotras, and some Sanskrit slokas we teach children. Not babies. Children means again 2nd standard, and you put nursery. They cannot sit, especially sitting in front of the monitor. No, sorry. 5th standard, 4th pass, 5th pass, like that, little mature, and they should be able to sit 1 hour or do yogasanas 1 hour. That is your responsibility. Okay. Then quickly I shall, there are a couple of books for you. Please note down. Please note down quickly, or you can just open to solve the problem. You can open Ramakrishna Math iStore. It is Ramakrishna Math Chennai, chennaimath.org, chennaimath.org, and there publications. In publications, you get so many subtitles. So directly go to spirituality. And in that spirituality, lot of books are there. On now, because of pandemic times, they have put us out of stock, but it will come to you slowly when it opens or whenever there is convenience. Or you can open advaitashrama.org, Advaita Ashrama, and go there, type subheading meditation. There you will get one book called Concentration and Meditation, Meditation and Spiritual Life, Meditation, Mind and Patanjali Yoga, Sadhanas or Preparations for Higher Life, then Japa and Dhyana in a nutshell, Meditation and its practices, Universal Prayers, and meditation, monks of the Ramakrishna order. Then you have spiritual initiation, what it is. Spiritual initiation, what it is. Then there's another book, Meditation and Its Methods, by Swamiji, Swami Vivekananda. Another compulsory book you should read, Spiritual Practice by Swami Ashokananda. Spiritual Practice by Swami Ashokananda. Another wonderful book, small book, Essentials of Spiritual Life, Swami Yatishwarananda. Essentials of Spiritual Life. So like that, one by one, you get a book and start reading, start exploring, and become divine children. Okay. So spiritual life section contains all these titles. And there itself, you can go to Bhagavad Gita section, scriptures. Okay, scriptures. Here one Gita is there. Bhagavad Gita section, scriptures, English books. Okay. One is Bhagavad Gita for students, small book. Bhagavad Gita only for students, selection. There's another book, Bhagavad Gita, the scripture of mankind, which I am using regularly. Swami Tapasyananda's wonderful translation. There is another book, 3 volumes by Swami Ranganathananda, Universal Message of the Bhagavad Gita. And another I would suggest, Message of the Bhagavad Gita. Message of the Bhagavad Gita. Then Essence of the Gita, Swami Sharadananda, Essence of the Gita. Then you can get a book called Bhagavad Gita for Daily Living. Bhagavad Gita for Daily Living. Some are commentaries, Ramanuja Bhashya, Shankara Bhashya, Sridhara's Tika, all these are there. Those who are interested more in understanding the script, these commentaries also. But for meditation, for your sadhana, this is enough. Basic books are enough. Okay. Right? So this is my seva to all of you, seva to the Lord. Today evening, 5:45 in Telugu, Bhagavad Gita class is there, 10th chapter. Whatever I have told in English now, I will be telling in Telugu, covering this particular section of Arjuna Uvacha till Sri Bhagavan Uvacha, 5 or 6 slokas today. That will be Telugu Madhyamam, evening 5:45, 6:45, Ramakrishna Math, Hyderabad, YouTube channel. Live streaming. Okay. You can attend, your friends can attend and get the benefit. That is Saturday class. Every Saturday goes on. All right. So what more? We will end now, and those who can write your feedbacks. Srinivas ji, elagundindi? Srinivas garu, ఓకేనా? ఈ క్లాస్ కొంత బాగా నచ్చిందా? ఉన్న తలుపుతున్నారా? అన్మ్యూట్ తొందరగా.
నమస్కారం స్వామీజీ.
నమస్తే.
ఇప్పుడున్న పరిస్థితుల్లో అత్యంత ముఖ్యమైనటువంటి పరిష్కారం మనకి ఇప్పుడు నడుస్తున్నటువంటి ఈ భగవద్గీతతో కూడినటువంటి ఈ మెడిటేషన్ సెషన్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అత్యున్నతమైనటువంటి పరిష్కారం స్వామీజీ. నా దృష్టిలో మన అన్ని సమస్యలకి కూడా ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు కూడా ఆచరించాలి, అనుసరించాలని నేను ఆకాంక్షిస్తున్నాను. ఆ శారదామాతని, శ్రీరామకృష్ణుని ప్రార్థిస్తున్నాను స్వామీజీ.
వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. ఎస్ Gitaji, how did you like Gita Krishna? Unmute and speak, youngster sitting there.
Namaste, Swamiji.
Namaste.
The session has given an immense. My audio okay?
Yeah, now okay. Some sound, some.
Okay. This
External.
Bhagavad Gita provided an immense glory to my day, Swamiji, and the schedule of my day even.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Why some sound is there? External sound, wind sound. Okay, continue.
Yes. I have observed various changes in my day schedule and everything too, and it has brought an immense glory to my mornings and as well followed by entire day. And I'm grateful and my gratitude to VIHG for such sessions. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you. Hemalata ji. Yes. Unmute, unmute. చెప్పండి.
నమస్తే స్వామీజీ.
నమస్తే.
చాలా బాగుంది స్వామీజీ. యాక్చువల్లీ నేను ఇంతకు ముందు 2 times కూడా 15 days కోర్స్ ఈవినింగ్ అటెండ్ అయ్యాను స్వామీజీ. సో ఐ వాజ్ లుకింగ్ ఫర్ ఇట్. యాక్చువల్లీ సమ్ రీఛార్జ్ లైక్ మళ్ళీ మీ క్లాస్ ఇంకోసారి ఇలా విని నేను మళ్ళీ కంటిన్యూ చేసుకుంటూ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు ఎంజాయ్ దట్ థింగ్, దట్ స్ట్రీమింగ్ మెడిటేషన్ థింగ్. చాలా బాగుంది. అప్పుడు యూట్యూబ్ లింక్ చేశారు. యాక్చువల్లీ ఈసారి కూడా అలాగే యూట్యూబ్ ఉంటుంది. నేను ఆఫీస్ టైమింగ్స్ కదా కుదరదేమో అనుకున్నాను స్వామీజీ. అయితే గాడ్స్ గ్రేస్ whenever we put one foot forward, God will come to take us along. So 1 week లాక్డౌన్ ఇచ్చారు ఆఫీస్ లో. సో వర్క్ ఫ్రమ్ హోమ్ అనేసరికి ఐ కుడ్ మేనేజ్ మై టైమింగ్. సో ఈ 8:30 to 9:30 నేను ఐ కుడ్ జాయిన్ అండ్ ఐ వాజ్ బ్లెస్డ్ టు have your blessings through this 1 week thing, and I got recharged again. Fantastic. And so I will get more deep into this meditation path and spiritual journey. That's what with your blessings I was thinking. So Ramakrishna and Mata and Swami Vivekananda's blessing and the whole pandemic lo andaru everyone should be happy, safe and all. So meer chese ee karyakramam chaala it is very much useful, and more people now. There is no limit because of this. No limit. So all through the world people should experience. I'm so happy, Swamiji, and thanks for the blessings, Swamiji.
Spread the message to others.
Yes, Swamiji. Yes, Swamiji. My brothers also will be joining the next course. I will ask them from US. Last time also join ayyaru. One Swamiji. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Gautam ji, from where you are and how did you feel?
Yeah, salutations, Swamiji. I'm from Hyderabad, but I work at Mumbai. This is my first. I'm attending for the first time, and thank you so much, Swamiji. In fact, actually, it was a very nice way to start the day, and some of your examples like the fisherwoman or the circus and all, they keep lingering throughout the day. So it's a very pleasant way to start a day. And thank you. And some of your slokas also, like Ramantike and all. And the same day, actually, Vedant has sung a very nice song. Thank you to him, Vedant Bharadwaj also. Thank you, Swamiji.
Fantastic. Join other things also.
Yes, I'll get associated. Yeah, thank you.
Very good. All of you, please continue. Kaushik ji, kaisa laga? Kaushik ji, unmute and speak.
Hi, Swami.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Swami. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are. Yeah.
Yeah, it's been so stressful, but after attending this 1 week program, I could find some peace and also develop some sort of discipline in my day-to-day life. I started getting up early in the morning and develop some sort of timetable and discipline to my life. So it's been a very good experience.
Okay, wonderful. Keep up that spirit. Join other classes. Let that flow of knowledge go into your mind and heart. Yes, Chalapati Garu, you have raised your hand. Unmute cheyandi, please.
Jai Ram Krishna Maharaj.
Jai Ram Krishna. Chepandi.
మాది అనంతపురం జిల్లా మహారాజ్.
ఓ సంతోషం.
మెడిటేషన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఒక 5 నిమిషాలు బాగానే ఉంది, కానీ తర్వాత మరి మాకు తెలియకోకుండా అన్కాన్షియస్ లో పోయినట్లు ఉంది మహారాజ్. మీ వాయిస్ వినపడట్లేదు మహారాజ్. అంటే దాన్ని ఏమైనా ఇంప్రూవ్ చేయడానికి అది మంచిదేనా, లేకుంటే నేనేమన్నా తప్పుగా అలా చేస్తున్నానా మహారాజ్?
ఇంకొంచెం మెమరైజ్ చేయండి శ్లోకాలు, తాత్పర్యం, దాని భావం, ఓంకారం ఎక్స్టర్నల్ గా చెప్పుకుంటూ ఉండండి. మనసు నిలవదో వెంటనే ఓంకారం వెళ్ళిపోండి. మనసు నిలిచిన భగవంతుడిలోకి వెళ్ళండి. సో ఎక్కువ క్వాంటిటీ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయండి, క్వాంటిటీ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయండి. ఓకే,
థ్యాంక్ యూ మహారాజ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి. అనంతపూర్ జిల్లా చాలా ప్రమాదంగా ఉంది, అన్ని చోట్ల ఉంది, బట్ యూ హావ్ టు బి కేర్ఫుల్.
పోలీస్ కానిస్టేబుల్ మహారాజ్ నేను.
ఓహో, ఇంకా ఎక్కువ బాధ్యత మీకు
మహారాజ్.
జాగ్రత్త. పోలీసు అవ్వమని క్లాస్ ని భక్తి కలుగుతుంది, సంతోషం. సంగమేష్ జీ, లాస్ట్ విల్ టేక్ సంగమేష్.
Yeah, Namaste Swamiji. I mean, it was really a nice experience. This is the first time I associated with Ramakrishna Mutt. Couple of my colleagues earlier recommended, but I think after a long time I come in a moment that I associated with this and enrolled for course, and it was really a nice experience. All the day I was waiting for the next day morning to attend the second sessions. And initial couple of days was a bit difficult to focus, but later on and today it was much focused, and I will keep continue this meditation every day. Thank you, Swamiji.
Continue and join other classes and keep 1 week, by 1 week, one subject. It will add to your knowledge part. It's an investment, and think about it, and powerful ideas, pure ideas will add like a Covishield. Covishield, Covaxin, that is the language today.
Yeah, sure, Swamiji.
We need strong vaccines, not only for our lungs, but for our life itself.
Yeah, I think this works more than the vaccine if you have a good meditative mind.
Yes, very nice, very nice.
Yeah. So special thanks to Vedanji for their bhajan. It was really nice. By looking at the way they were meditating while bhajan, it was really kind of something which I feel like I should also learn something to get oneness in that.
Very good. You join that meditation bhajan sandhya also 3 days.
Yes, sure, Swamiji.
Enjoy 3 days, nearly 8 songs you can learn, and meditate on that every day. 2 or 3 songs, teaching, singing, meditating, teaching, singing.
Sure,
so it removes all that heaviness in the brain, information of deaths and infections and malpractices. My God. So let us all, there is hope also. Wonderful people are there. They are doing seva. Today morning also somebody sent me a message, in Hyderabad itself. You see how wonderful. I'll just, in Jammu Kashmir, there's a Muslim boy, 48-year-old Manzoor Ahmad. He's an asthma patient who has been on oxygen for last 3 years. Yet he strives to deliver oxygen cylinders to COVID-19 patients in Kashmir. He is a real hero, a salute from all of us. See how wonderful these people are. Then there's another case. Interesting for a minute. 1 minute. Yeah. It says there, after losing his friend in COVID-19, the Hyderabad man ferries 100 patients on his scooter. Those who cannot afford ambulance and who cannot think about any other way to reach a hospital or somewhere, this man in Hyderabad, he ferries 100 patients till today to a clinic in Banjara Hills to ensure that they get treatment, what they need. Okay. He is Mahendra Reddy Garu in Hyderabad. He is an entrepreneur. Said the fear of COVID-19 gripped Mirza so much that he refused to get treatment until the very end. By the time he agreed and visited, it was too late. He passed away a couple of days later. So Mahendra Reddy said, I have 2 children, and we immediately sought treatment. About 99% of people fear the disease rather than getting treated. And he took up the responsibility, and every day he is ferrying so far 100. Maybe he will do more as long as his strength is there. So these are very, very inspiring stories that we are getting, incidents that we are getting. and keep that in mind. And personally also, we have to meditate and develop that spiritual kavacham, and whatever we can share the society. Those who can contribute financially to, we are Ramakrishna Math 10 hospitals and different states have launched this massive COVID relief, whether it's in Vrindavan, Haridwar, and Northeast, and Kerala, and Chennai, etc. Hospitals are there. So you can, whoever can, online donation you can do, and serve the society as much as possible. Okay. So whatever programs, posters, etc., we keep sending. You can join our Telegram Human Excellence channel. You can join my Signal group, outstation and local people, Hyderabad. And that's how directly you will get communication from myself. Okay. So just because WhatsApp is creating problems, there is uncertainty. So we are slowly shifting to Signal or Telegram. That is our present. App also is there. Facebook is there. YouTube channels are there. Social media is there for promoting Bhagavad Gita teachings and meditation teachings. Okay. So thank you very much. Namaste to everybody. May God bless you. May Sri Ramakrishna bless you. May Gita Acharya bless you. See you all next Sunday, next week, or little later. Okay. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Tat Sat. Sri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Thank you. Take care. Be healthy and be spiritually strong. Namaste.